you coming from? King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
What's up, world? It's your girl Deborah coming to you live from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now I want to talk to you about a tour company called datmisehtv Jamaica. If you're coming to Jamaica and you're looking for an authentic Jamaican experience, if you want to have fun, if you want safe travels, if you want reliable people, datmisehtv Jamaica is the one for you. Trust me on that. I chose them. So reach out to them, let them know what you want regardless of the size of your group. They're there for you. datmisehtv.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl DEEZER.
I got more press.
Yeah. Yeah, a bittersweet moment right now, guys, because yeah, it's a sweet moment because, guys,
I done something to do.
I'm leaving Jamaica. Yeah, I'm leaving Jamaica, and I'm leaving now. So the car's packed up, and gonna make our way to the airport. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say, to be honest. Like, I'm not laughing, but that's, you know, the nervous laughs, like.
That's something there. That's something there, bro.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
So we'll keep you filled in. We'll keep you filled in. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna know what I want.
Yeah.
I know everything though. I'm gonna be busy.
Yes. So I am heading towards departure gates. You can see. So you know when you come, everybody comes and gets their rain nappy overcoat. But I'm not getting up today. So yes, people, as you would have seen, I'm at the airport now, and I'm just eating. Let me show you. Yeah. You know that last minute airport food that costs like an arm and a leg, so expensive. So I just got Wendy's chicken burger and fries. Is like over $2,000. Like, but you know, it's airport in it, so you expect that. Yeah, so I've got couple of hours left to wait, and I'm just here waiting. The airport is actually empty. Yeah, it's empty. I think my flight, I'm going on British Airways, my flight is actually the last flight leaving out, so only the people on that flight are actually in the airport at the moment as passengers. Obviously the staff are here, so a lot of the shops are closing up now. So yeah, last or late night flight, I guess. Yeah, so people, oh my gosh. I didn't even get to show you Outlaw when he dropped me off and when we were going and stuff, when he was leaving and stuff. But yeah, like, it's, I don't know, it's such a I don't know. It's a bittersweet moment because you know, leaving is like just the hardest thing ever. Leaving to go back to the UK is the hardest thing ever, but it's something that I have to do. yeah, of course I'm gonna miss Outlaw like terribly. I'm gonna miss him so much, but you know, we'll talk like 100 times for the day. Yeah, yeah, I'm so tired, guys. You can see the bags under my eyes. I'm so tired right now. I was out all day yesterday, so but guys, yeah, you know, obviously I'll keep you up to date and keep you informed of, you know, all the changes that are happening. And I must say, guys, that, you know, these last few months since March, for Outlaw and I, it's just been like a roller coaster, but a good roller coaster, because prior to that we've had so many lows, you know, ups and downs, and a lot of lows with work and employment and trying to get on our feet. But the last few months since March have just been like amazing, like amazing. Everything seems to just be connecting, all the dots are connecting, and opportunities are just coming our way. We are just really blessed right now, really fortunate. Yeah, everything just seems to be falling into place and connecting, and so we're really grateful for that. And a lot of that, guys, is really down to you guys. You know, we've started this channel only in March, only a few months ago, not knowing where it was going to go, but it's like just taken off. You guys have been so supportive and responsive, and really responsive and supporting towards our business also, which is doing really well. So I'm leaving that in the capable hands of Outlaw. I know he's going to manage that well. And yeah, I'm going to be in the UK, so of course while I'm in the UK, you're going to see me, you're going to, you know, I'm going to continue to vlog, announcement. And Outlaw will continue to vlog, and we'll see what happens, right? We'll take it from there. So yeah, I'm gonna go and eat this food, and then yeah, go on the plane when it's ready. Check back with you soon.
Right, I'm going to call them. I'm on the train. I'm trying to make a phone call to get it scheduled.
This guy's on the plane. Everyone, so as you guys know, I am in the UK. Yes, I'm back in England, and I've been here. I haven't, to be honest guys, I haven't even picked up the camera really hardly since I've been here, but I've done my 10-day quarantine. So for those of you who don't know, when you come back to the UK, if you're not fully vaccinated, you have to do 10-day quarantine, and you have to do 2 further COVID tests. So the COVID test I did in Jamaica, I have to do 2 COVID tests when I arrive. day 2 and day 8, and I have to quarantine for 10 days. So my quarantine is over. To be honest, guys, the quarantine period for me was easy. It was good, and since I've been here, I don't even feel like I want to go out, to be honest. I mean, I'm out in the garden now, which is nice. The weather has been quite good, actually. The weather's been good since I've been here, which has been nice, but I don't really feel like going out. I just feel like, I don't know, just sitting at home watching TV, you know. I'm kind of being spoilt because I haven't had to cook. I haven't really had to do anything. You know, I've got people here that are doing like everything for me. My mum and dad. So they're kind of just doing everything for me. So it's been really good. I feel a bit spoilt, like I said. So I really don't feel like going out and, you know, seeing people and stuff like that. Of course, my family, yes. I've seen a lot of my family already, so that's been good. A few more to see. But I feel like once I've seen who I need to see, like, guys, I'll be ready to come home, to be honest. But, you know, let's see. So my 10 days quarantine is over. I'm feeling good. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I haven't been out and about. I am going to go out and about later on today. So of course I'm going to take you with me. Do a little bit of shopping and see what's out there. And yeah, that's it really. But so far everything is good. You'll see Outlaw soon. Of course, we talk like a million times a day. He's doing well. He's got still got the kids with him, so you know they're keeping him busy. But yeah, so back in England, yeah. Guys, when I go back on the road, I will take you with me. But guys, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please do watch the ads, and until next time, dat me say.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.